Vishal sir's films, you know how he is in terms of the look, he's very precise. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. Today is a very, very special day. Some of you have been wondering who the new love in my life has been. It's precisely this. It's Lakme Lip Love. I've been very, very excited to have this new love in my life. And it's a very, very special association. I was the face a few years ago, and I'm back. This time as the brand ambassador of Lakme. And to be the face of your country's leading cosmetics brand is definitely a privilege. And this campaign is really cool. You guys, I don't know if you all have seen the TVC. Okay, you all are just about to see the TVC. I hope you all like it. I hope you all even like my new look in it. It's we've tried out something new, so very excited about that as well. So it's a very special association, and I hope you guys buy the new Lakme Lip Love. I'm wearing it right now, and it's amazing. And hope you enjoy the TVC as well. Thank you. So yeah, I have a fringe in it. Yeah. I think it's cool that you can detach and attach a fringe and experiment with that.
Lakme is all about looks, so you'll get 100 different looks as you continue your journey.
Exactly. And I feel like it was really cool. It goes with the whole feel of the product and the ad and all of that. So hope you guys like it, and hope you guys, all of you, go and buy, all the ladies. Actually, why restrict? And the guys can also buy for their wives. And the vanilla is not tinted, all the boys. Vanilla one is not tinted, so you guys can get that one.
Beauty and how the film makeup is different from a makeup from a normal life.
That's an interesting question. And I've not thought about this, but now that I'm thinking about it, it is very different, film makeup and makeup in real life. For film, you have to keep things in mind like lighting and the setting that you're in, and if there is natural light, you have to do a particular kind of makeup, I guess. And also, different people have different kinds of skin tones, and so it's very individualistic also. And weather also, if it's too hot, then what you should do. If it's too cold, what you should do. And depending on the skin type, I guess. So yeah, it's different. And in real life also, depending on where you're going. And like today is surprisingly hot. I thought it'll be cooler. So accordingly, you do your makeup. Because of the role, because Arshia is a Kashmiri journalist, and Vishal sir's films, you know how he is in terms of the look, he's very precise with the look. And very true to the character and to the film. So, in fact, he was the one, he was like, "Mujhe bilkul makeup nahi chahiye." But also, to get the no makeup look, you have to put makeup also. And I personally think that's harder. Because you have to have the right amount of control, the right amount of way to show that you're not wearing makeup. And I think if you nail that, that's a big achievement.
Thank you.
I have been associated with this, and not only because I've been associated with it, you should ask them how excited I was when I saw the product that they were like, okay, you are going to be endorsing the new Lakme Lip Love. So I tried it, and I was like, wow, this is really cool. And if you see, it's got tint and it's got moisturizer at the core of it. So this is what's in my handbag right now, the Lakme Lip Love. And I think you guys should really check it out. It's very, very cool. And the packaging is also really cool and fun. So that also adds to it, adds to you wanting it.